Hey RVers and future RVers, we got a snow day today at Beckley's.
Shit.
So we're going to take this opportunity to show you what's been cooking behind the scenes. Beckley's is back again at the biannual Timonium RV show in Timonium, Maryland. Thinking about visiting? Or maybe it's your first time hearing about it. Let's take a look at the last time we visited. The Timonium RV show is a biannual event held at the Maryland State Fairgrounds every year. RV dealers from across the state show up wearing their Sunday best and make their effort to court new customers. Beckley's RVs are entering the fray again this year. The detail department is hard at work cleaning the units to get them show ready before the sales team drives them from our lot in Thurmont all the way to the fairgrounds in Timonium.
Hey, I'm Gary Moser, one of the managers at Beckley's Camping Center. This is days like this that I really enjoy. It's a little stressful trying to get all this stuff taken care of, but I love it when everybody comes together here all at one time, make one event happen that benefits the whole company. It just makes me be proud to work here and proud to be part of a team like Beckley's Camping Center.
The fact that the team was able to get so much inventory down there in one night is very impressive. Initial observations of the barren building, affectionately referred to as the Cow Palace, make me doubt the supposed opulence of the final product. Nonetheless, Craig tackles the task as though he were a painter staring at a blank canvas. Trouble rears its face quickly, though. The planned layout failed to account for a support column. This could easily delay progress, since the units are already placed very close together.
Well, today we're going to get all our units inside the building and parked, hopefully leveled, electric to them. But by the end of the day, we want to have all the campers in the main building parked and ready to go, because tomorrow the detail staff comes down and start cleaning it. So if we don't have it parked and ready, level, slide outs out, electric, they can't do their job. So that's step one, is get them parked.
Not long after, lunch is served for the whole Beckley's crew, giving them a much-deserved break. For the rest of today and tomorrow, the team will continue laying out carpet and building the sales tent in order for our IT specialist, Lee Gray, to set up the electronic systems. Today, I was drafted to put the camera down for a second and build the projector, which will play a compilation of content for the customers as they walk by our display. The universal mount leaves a lot to be desired. I feel like I have my work cut out for me. But with a little teamwork, we make it work, and it's ready to go. Now, this documentary was filmed over the course of about a week. We followed the entire Beckley's crew from start to finish, watching the whole show come together step by step. There's so many people working behind the scenes at Beckley's, working hard, that make it so great, and we so rarely get a chance to highlight them. Check out our Timonium documentary and show them how much we appreciate them. Now, some RVers may have noticed our familiar faces in more places lately. We've been making ads highlighting what makes us special. The Beckley's difference. If you want to get to know us better, check out this month's ad.
At Beckley's RVs, we're proud of our long-running commitment to customer satisfaction. Sure, every business says that, but Beckley's RVs has actually been rated Maryland's #1 RV dealer since 2001. On top of that, we've earned awards and commendations from leading businesses like Winnebago and RV Pro magazine.
We're selling a lifestyle. The thing about Beckley's is we actually use RVs. You have to be focused on service. And then you have to have the parts to back it up.
Don't forget to keep your eyes peeled for more Beckley's insights each month. Well, folks, that about does it. Don't forget to leave us a like, comment down below with what you want to see next, and smash that subscribe button. We'll see you at the campsites.